Welcome to the Nieuw Statendam. We're here for 4 days for the tester cruise. It's going to be a lot of fun. An awesome music venue that started this cruise, they just did their debut performance the other night, is the Rolling Stone Rock Room in conjunction with Rolling Stone magazine. They're an absolutely awesome rock band with great stage presence, and it's a fun place to hang out, especially if you love rock.
Keep your hands to yourself.
The theatre has been given an overhaul. This is called the World Stage. There are also huge screens. There's a lot of technology involved, which is all incorporated into the show. We saw the debut performance of Step One Dance Company, and Humanity was the show. It was absolutely amazing. Direct from New York's Lincoln Center, there is a wonderful 5-piece group of classical musicians, Lincoln Center Stage. Right across from the Rolling Stone Rock Room, we've got Billboard on board, and this is where the dueling pianos are, playing top 40 hits from through the decades, from the 50s onwards.
This is my partner Debbie, my name's Nate, we're Billboard on board.
Ooh, my little pretty one, a pretty one. When you come and give me some time, sure or not. Ooh, you make my motor rock, coming off the line, sure or not. It's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men.
Reliably getting the party going every night is the talented BB Kings All Stars. The dining room is lovely. It's got a very shiny, chic new look. We are stopping for some lunch in the Grand Dutch Cafe, and we're having my favorite Dutch thing. We're going to have a few tasty Dutch treats. You can get a coffee there, and then you get snacks, whatever you like, included with the coffee. This is my favorite, is Dutch pea soup. And then we're going to have some fries with peanut sauce and mayonnaise, and then some apple and bacon pancakes. and we're enjoying this while having a lovely view outside of the sailing. We're in Tamarind for dinner, and this is a specialty Asian restaurant, and they have nami sushi over here where you can get your own sushi and you can order it a la carte. There's lots of things to choose from. The main menu is what we're going for right now. To start with, we have some shrimp tempura for starter. It's lovely and the atmosphere is beautiful. It's time for the main course, and so I've got barramundi curry here. There's also wagyu beef, and we've got some sides for the table. We've got some bok choy and some Dungeness crab rice and also eggplant. Now it's time for dessert. I've got the fortune cookie, which has ginger. It's basically a giant fancy fortune cookie with some ice cream. It's delicious. One of the new features is this. This is called Blends by Chateau Saint Michel, and this is where you can come and be your very own vintner for an hour. You can make your own wine blends. There's different barrels with lots of different wine. It's $15 surcharge, and you come in and you make different wines. You put different flavors together, and you create your own very special blend for your own wine. So right next to Blend, we have a new concept, and this is called Club Orange. Now this is a special dining area for suite guests. Another guest can purchase tickets to go there if you're not in a suite, and it costs $50. The menu mirrors the dining room menu, but it's a little bit fancier, and it has some optional extras as well in there. So this is a nice place if you want to get a little bit of extra pampering and a little bit of extra attention. This is Rudy Seldemer. It has a wonderful seafood selection, and it's all been put together by Rudy Soderman as well. And this is the place to come if you're a big fan of seafood and fine dining. And we've still got old classics and old favorites like Pinnacle Grill. With many options of food stations at breakfast, lunch and dinner is the old favorite, the Lido Market. Up on deck 12 in the Crow's Nest is where you can find the EXC area, and we've got the EXC Shore Excursions desk right here with an interactive map, so you can take a look at where you are or anywhere around the world and have a closer look. This is also where the EXC guide would be available for questions up here, and it is also the library. They've got the Exploration Central Cafe, and there's lots of really nice books that you can borrow. So the photo gallery is a little bit different here as well, and it's all done digitally. So all you do is you tap your stateroom key here, and then the photos that you've taken throughout the cruise come up here. You can take a look at them all, your nice formal pictures when you come on an embarkation. There's no longer the photos all around the gallery. You just come and take a look right here, and you can even order it on your phone. The gym is huge with several rooms, cardio machines, a weight room, spin bikes, a new TRX room, and afterwards you can relax in the Seaview sauna. There are multiple choices for accommodation, including Seaview staterooms to elegant Neptune suites, and there are more options for solo travelers in single cabins. The Nieuw Statendam has amazing art all over the ship, every single stairwell, in every single lobby, all around the place. There's so many different types of art. This is my absolute favourite. We've got 2 different Van Gogh paintings which have been recreated with children's toys. It's so inventive, it's so beautiful. Another one of my favourites is this. This is along the music walk. There's a lot of music themed art around the ship, and right next to Billboard on Board we have this beautiful harp. And going up the stairs from Billboard on Board on deck number 2 going up to deck 3, there's a really interesting installation. Now with the lights up here, we've got all the little speckled glittery parts here. They're very beautifully lit, and this was designed with the carpet at the same time, so the carpet looks like glitter is falling down or reflecting onto the carpet. So they're designed by the same designer, and it's a beautiful piece together. We've had a wonderful time here on Nieuw Statendam, and that's it for now.